Some people say I do a tremendous job of making fun of Donald J. Trump.
Dude, that is good.
And I'll tell you what, not a lot of people know this. And I'll tell you because you seem like a cool couple. The J in Donald J. Trump, it stands for genius. And I am truly a genius. I really
am. Dude.
Did I nail it?
Oh, you nailed it. And you definitely said it to the right people.
Oh, super. Well, I'm not looking forward to prison, I tell you that. It's not going to be fun. Rudy and I in the same cell, I don't think so. Now, if I were gay, maybe Steve Bannon or Jim Jordan, but I'm not gay, so we don't have to worry about that. And that's good. I should probably build another wall, though. Keep all those people out.
Make it taller.
It's going to be bigger than the wall of China. It's going to be huge.
China.
It will be odd. It's going to be south of Canada. I need to keep Justin Trudeau out. I see the way he looks at my wife. I just need to get rid of that. It'll probably just be a snow fence, but my supporters believe anything, really.
Oh,
that's awesome.
Good, man. You need to take that show on the road.
Well, I'm on the road. I got a sit-down routine. I sit here with my Whopper because I'm the king. When you go to Burger King, do they give you a crown? No. I get a crown because I'm the king.
Oh, my God.
You nailed it.
Thank you.
Awesome.
That was amazing, man. Have a good night.
You too.
Thank you.
There we go.